Sure. Do not take my, don't take my thingies. Look. Give it to me. I'll load it for.
What?
Hey!
Yes, coming or.
Swing.
Yes, coming or what?
Yay! I'm gonna go kill a chicken real quick, Grandma.
You coming or what? You coming or what?
Yeah. Just started the video. Hello, guys.
Can somebody give me a shotgun? Can somebody give me a shotgun?
I like murdering children. Oh yeah. Shoddy.
Yeah, shoddy with some ammo.
How
Who
are
wants to
y'all
go
this
into the
rich,
little cave?
bro?
I want to go to zero gravity and get a lot of money.
Who don't bring stuff for your back? I have umbrella
Yo, dude.
for update.
Oh shoot!
Update. Yeah, I have an umbrella on my head. Motherfucker, I'm Mary Poppins. Here, take this.
Motherfucker, I'm Mary Poppins. What do you mean you're Mary Poppins?
Bro, I made a video on that and literally almost everybody laughed at it.
Come on.
Motherfucker, I'm Mary Poppins. Here, take this. Hold on, I'm gonna get in the center of my room and I'm gonna throw this boombox so hard that it's gonna glitch out the noise. Yeah, I totally glitched it.
Dude, you want to go to zero gravity?
Yeah, let's go to zero gravity. Let's go to zero gravity. We're gonna die. What? Boombox?
Where's my friend Gail?
Oh god! Yeah, take, you sell that stuff. There's tons of crap in it. He had an umbrella too. You put it on your back.
Let's go to zero gravity.
Hold on. He has tons of gems. He has tons of gems and crap. Everybody put the gems and crap in there.
Guys, back away. I need to sell my stuff.
2258. Yeah. You sell what? What do you mean? Hold on. Give me.
I don't have much money, okay?
Okay, you gotta sell that stuff, okay? You gotta sell the gems. The gems.
Come on, Jimmy! I know I'm fat.
Heavy.
No, Chad, you won. Chaddington! Dude, stop! No!
That stuff does not sell for much money. The valuable things don't sell for money. The things that you buy with your own money, they don't sell for any stuff. Umbrella, put it on your back. You could fly. You have to have it open. Can I put this on
Can
my
somebody
back?
buy me some ammo? Can somebody buy me some ammo?
You could store stuff on back. Ammo,
Okay, figured out how to load it. I wanna go. I'm gonna jump off the tower. Who wants to jump off the tower with me? Yeah, who's scared?
Everybody, come here for the update. There's more crap over here than you expect. Up the hole. Up the tube.
All of it.
Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
Come on, bro.
Chat, like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
Yo, where are you?
Cushion!
I lost my
Yeah.
freaking shotgun.
Who's it now? Who's it now?
I'm sorry. Hey, give me one shotty back. Come on,
I'm
bro.
coming to sewers.
Nah. I will not accept
Monkey, 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 bip.
I'm telling Lemming.
I'm coming to sewers.
Monkey, monkey, monkey. Wait up!
Give me one.
Give me one of those.
You can't catch me now.
I want one umbrella. One of them.
Umbrella!
Where did it?
Right there, put it on your back. You can also put the whoopee cushion on your back. Put it on your, yeah, there you go. Look, whoopee cushion! Hold on, I have to traumatize
you
people
guys?
with the sewers. Or near the entrance.
Yeah, dude, my friend killed me, so I took his shotguns.
He took my gun without my permission.
This is my
I
gun
didn't
now.
even kill him. He said he killed me, and then he killed him back once. And
I'm gonna shoot you. Alakablam!
just end the suffering already.
I have a whoopee cushion. Who want free gun? Free gun right there.
Can somebody behind
Nee,
me?
nee, nee. Yeah, go down the thing.
Wait for me, wait for me.
Down we go.
How you doing, bro?
Nee, nee.
You ready?
Tell.
I'll drop down first. Wait! What are you doing?
No, my umbrella.
I got it!
Yes! Me! Umbrella!
Are we going to caves or sewers?
Sewer.
Low grab. Who wants to go to low gravity with me?
I'm at low gravity-ish. Hello?
Alright, wait for me.
I'm right here. Down
How do
here!
you get to low gravity?
I'm coming down!
Down the hole.
Chatting, saying, what's up, guys?
Yeah, I need my umbrella. Dog, I need my umbrella. Put down both of your umbrellas.
Scared.
I'm right here. I have a whoopee cushion. Get down here.
Scared!
Come down here.
I'm trying!
Bro, just put your umbrella downward and you'll start
Where am I
falling
going?
towards the right way. But point your umbrella downward. It'll make you stop gliding. I need my umbrella, dog. Just stay on the ground! Give me my umbrella! Give me my umbrella. Dog, give me umbrella. Give me my umbrella
know
or
where
I'll
I
shoot you
am.
with a whoopee cushion. I'll shoot you with a whoop.
There we go.
I died it.
Problem solved. Wait! Don't shoot me! Don't shoot me!
I'm dying too. I'm coming.
Another umbrella. Gold!
Alright.
Money. 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 Mr. Krabs once said, money, money, money. Woo. Money,
Where
money,
are
money,
you?
money, money, money. I'm at red light, green light for sewers. My hand is stuck on the radio because I'm at red light, green light. There we go. Wee! 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 Ah! Ah! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Bro, I just saw like 8 people die. That's evil guy. Right. Willa palubada.
Chatty Waddy.
Willa palubada. Ducky. Ducky. I took Ducky down the hole.
Help, I'm empty.
We're going to zero gravity, right?
Yeah.
What is this?
Save of the year.
Save of the year, right?
No, that's not where zero gravity is.
Ducky!
I see one.
Come on!
That might be a mimic near the red light, green light. Near the red light, green light, it's probably a mimic.
Chatty Waddy, what's up? What is that? That's so graceful. You fall so slow.
Let me in! All I have to do is look down.
I just suffered from severe brain damage.
I suffer from severe damage.
Just damage in general.
Yeah. I suffer from damage itself. Bro, what if there was some guy that was stuck here where his headset couldn't turn off and he was just there like, hey, I've been stuck here for 5 years.
That'd be crazy.
Monkey. I like big balls.
That's that wrong way.
I'm past Golden 2. Where do I go? I need help.
Squeaky!
Kaboom!
Squeaky! Squeaky!
Where are you going?
Down the hole. Down the hole! Holy shit! Mom.
Yo, what's up, Chatty?
Ducky!
Okay.
Yeah, I just launched the ducky across all of eternity.
You're gonna have to take your umbrella off your back, dude. Dude.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Hey.
Now.
I need the umbrella! I'm gonna carry tons of shit. Never mind, I'm gonna shoot gold at people. Yeah!
Please! Don't shoot gold at me.
I'm shooting gold at everything. There's no stopping me. Ah!
Yo!
Whoopee cushion! Whoopee
We going the wrong
cushion!
way.
Too bad, I'm grabbing my whoopee
This
cushion.
way.
I grabbed my whoopee cushion!
Owie!
Whoopee cushion!
Up, out, out. Boing. Oh yeah, my health is very low. Where are you?
Whoop! 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 Money. Holy money. How am I supposed to grab this, by the way?
Grab it and we're both cooked.
We're both.
Come on! Come on!
Ooh. We alive! We alive! We alive!
with this one.
We so fucking lucky, bro. Arf.
Yo!
Hold on. I put whoopee cushion down. I put whoopee cushion down. Look, I'm gonna put the flashlight on this. There. Okay, I have launcher and I have flashlight.
I got an umbrella. Oh my god.
Yeah, that was my umbrella. I bought it.
Yeah, but I need it more than you do.
Can you die? Hey,
Nah, we're going back anyway. Under the
I'm
sea.
waiting.
Under the sea. I can't wait to launch this so far that my family will be
Waiting for you. I'm waiting for you.
okay. Woo. It's bigger. This is bigger piece. But
I
I'm
have
already...
longer arms than all of you.
It's the bigger piece of meat.
Get out.
Because I'm using umbrellas.
This way. Did you
I'm
see
already
that,
popping
how
for them.
good my movement was? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. There we go.
Just touch the... Why don't you touch the dingle? Why don't you touch the dingle? Where is it?
Oh, wait for me.
Yeah, it's going after the light. The other one is right there. Turn it on! Turn it on!
Freak burger.
Burger.
Freak
Says
burger time.
Do you know that I do glitches for like random crap? Oh my god, let me
Everybody.
at Cell Machine. We are the last survivors for the video.
Come on.
We are the last
Put it in.
survivors for the video. I'm pretty sure all I have is this piece of wood. And this.
Alright.
Woo! Money, 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 money. Mr. Krabs once said money, money.
Money.
Mr. Krabs once said money, money.
I got money. Let's do it again. Let's do it again.
Let's do it! Let's do it!
Let's do it.
Let's do it!
You want to buy another umbrella?
Yeah, I am buying an umbrella right now. Me is buying umbrella right now.
Oh.
Two actually, if you count my dingle.
What?
What? Banana cannon. Banana.
Art, I'm waiting for you outside the thing where you buy the umbrellas.
I'm already in here.
Are you committing task fraud without me? Slow falling potion.
But for real, just got a slow falling potion 8.
I did.
Happy, happy, happy. Ding, 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 ding. Happy, 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 happy. Ding, 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 ding. Happy, happy, happy. Ding, 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 ding. Happy, 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 happy.
Wait for me!
Monkey. Sing with me, sing for me, sing for me. Oh, my head almost went through the wall.
Paddington?
Where am we going? Where am we going?
I don't know where am we going.
Hey. Mr. Krabs once said money. Hey. Sheddington! I grabbed the rubber ducky. What about that gold bar? Should we take the gold bar? Hey! Squeaky!
Yeah.
Hey. I'm rich.
I am magic. This way. Yo, did they have like anything good?
Monkey.
Bro, you farted or something. Ow! Yo, I'm already at low health, man. Ow! Stop!
I'm gonna shoot a backpack.
Wait, hold up. Shoot it at that guy. Shoot it at that guy over there.
Bet. I have low gravity banana.
Where is he?
Where'd he go?
He's right over there.
Keep.
Shoot it. Shoot it.
I missed. Give me.
I think we might just have to run. You missed again.
Yeah, I know.
Wait, there's a Coca-Cola right there. He turned around. I got the burgers in the back.
Trailer is attached. I'm Mr. Krabs. I use gold as bullets. Hey.
Money.
I have a plunger.
Oh yeah, he's still there. You missed again, bro. How?
It's hard to aim with this
You
thing.
trash aim, dude.
I don't play Fortnite VR, bro.
Neither do I, but at least I have better aim.
How did I miss that?
I lit him up for you and everything. How are you missing?
I hit him.
No, you didn't.
Would he glow red?
We might just have to run.
Oh, I hit him.
He's coming after me. Dude, he chased me.
I have 2 whoopee cushions, I think.
That was horrifying. I screamed so loud.
Oh!
Wait, is he coming?
Yes, he's coming! Do you not hear that?
Oh no.
Have plunger!
Actually, I didn't.
Woo, that bird is
We're going to
floating.
zero gravity, right?
Yep, I'm just getting over here.
Zero gravity is.
I know! Ah! I can't, Bro, I almost just fell off. Dog, I almost just fell off. I almost just fell off. The plunger does his job once more and sticks to you. I like big black balls. Trailer is attached. Mighty man. I'm I'm gonna take my car to the McDonald's. I'm gonna eat till I can't no more. I got the burgers in the back. Trailer is a Please, hurry up. I'm gonna beat your ass. Monkey, monkey. Ew. What? I'm gonna take my car to the McDonald's. Bro, chat, what the Sigma? What the Woo! Hands up, motherfucker.
Is he here?
Monkey, 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 monk.
Alright, now we just go.
It did which way? Oh. I'm gonna take my car to the McDonald's. I got the burgers in the back. Trailer's attached. What the Sigma? Ah! There's 3!
Yo, you can do that? Why am I acting surprised? You can put like just about anything in a crossbow.
No, you could also put the rookie cushion on your back. You could put any item on your back.
Well, I already got this thing on my back.
Bro, chat! Chat! I have a gun on my back! No!
Oh yeah, you didn't know you can do that?
Bro, but it's goofy. That's the thing, dog. No!
Alright, come on, this way.
Hey. Boing. Give me! One more. Ow! Ow!
Where are you?
I can't move. That's how heavy this is.
Yeah, because you can't have two of them at the same time.
Ooh. 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 I have idea. It's masterful. Should I actually just bring all of these?
You can move still? Put that one down. We'll go back. We'll go back for that other one. We do not need to. I mean, actually.
Money. Where are we going?
Money.
Wrong way. Is it?
Wrong way. Right. It is the wrong way.
Money. Holy crap. Monkey. Ow!
No. No.
What happened? What the freak?
No. Wait, we gotta wait for it to. Ow. We have to wait for it to get away from that, and then we can go up there. Oh no.
I'm gonna take my car to the McDonald's. I'm gonna. I'm gonna till I can't no more. Head down, cross down, live it up.
Where are you?
Monkey.
No.
Woo! Ah!
Where are you?
Ow! No! No, I didn't die. Because I'm
Oh,
cracked.
you're right there. You want to go the right way now?
What the fuck do you think? Yeah, damn
It's
crap.
kind of
Don't
obvious.
even. Monkey, monkey, monkey. I can fly. Boing.
Where are you?
Boing, 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 boing. Boing, 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 boing. Bro, you could literally like, if you had like 3 of the freaking suitcases, you would not be able to move at all. But with the umbrella, yeah, you can. Because I was able to move perfectly fine. Boing.
Wait, what if I try to go under? No, I can't.
Boing. What the frick?
No!
I'll wait for you, dude. Wait. Are you still there? I'll go.
Wanna eat till I can't no more. Got burger in the back.
Where are you?
Woo, woo. Boing, 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 boing,
What was that?
boing, 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 boing. Boing, 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 boing. 1,000.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Well, I hope you
We'll
enjoyed
do
the video.
Wait, we're still gonna get more money, right?
Dooba ish, maybe. It
Yeah,
might
like
take
you can end the video and we still get money.
monkey, monkey. Yeah, sure. Woo.
Whee!
Hope you
Now
enjoyed
I
the
can
video.
buy.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn notifications on. I'm gonna share on. What?
You just started.